It's not done yet. It's going round and round. No, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You still got a whole minute to wait. You still got a whole minute to wait.
She knows.
48 seconds. It's like waiting for popcorn to pop, isn't it? Yeah.
Where's your cow? Is he in there? She almost got it open.
What's the cow say? Moo. Almost. Almost. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. Now it's got 10 seconds. Okay. Can you wait? Oh, 3, 2, ready? Oh, it's almost time. Okay, get it. Okay. Get him. You got your cow? Are you good now?
Madeline, what you got? Did you get your cow?